Hi students, this is Jyoti, Miss your computer teacher. Children, till now we completed 3 lessons. Today we are going to learn the 4th lesson, that is about the keyboard. See children, this is the keyboard, no? This is keyboard, okay? This is the one of the part of a computer, okay? The keyboard is an important part of a computer, okay? So in this keyboard, for which purpose we will use this keyboard, now we will learn. For example, if you have to write on a paper, so how you will write? You can using pen or pencil and you will write on a paper. But for example, you have to write in a computer, how you will write? You should not use by pen or pencil, no, to write on a computer. You should use here keyboard. By using keyboard, we can write, means type sentences, words, whatever we, and numbers, whatever we want, we can write by using this keyboard. Okay, now we will learn, children. See here, a pen or a pencil is used to write in a notebook, but you cannot use a pen or a pencil to write on a computer. You need a keyboard to write on a computer. You can type by pressing keys on the keyboard. Okay children, how we are writing on a book? We will write pen or pencil, with pen or pencil. But in a computer we have to write, we will use a keyboard. This is called keyboard. We will use this keyboard to write in on a computer. How we will write? We have to press the keys here in this keyboard to write on the computer. Okay. So if you see in here in keyboard, we observe so many small buttons are there. These buttons we called as keys. Okay. Here some keys have letters of the alphabet marked on them. Some keys have numbers marked on them. When you press the keys, letters and numbers appears on the screen. Okay. So if you observe on this keyboard, children, see here. Here letters are there, no? A, B, S, D, F, G, H, J. Like that, some keys are having letters, some keys are having numbers. So by using these keys, we can type the letters. Means for example, you have to write computer, you should press on C, O, M, P. Like that, you should press that keys. That letter will typed in the computer, means nothing but of in the monitor it will type. Okay, like that we will type the letters. That only when you press the keys, letters and numbers appear on the monitor, nothing but of screen. Actually children, in this keyboard there are 4 types of keys are there. What are there? Are many types of keys on the keyboard. In this chapter you will learn about the following types of keys. Okay, there are so many types of keys are there. In this chapter we will learn about four types of keys. What are those? Alphabetic keys, number keys, space bar, enter key. About these 4 keys now we will going to learn in the keyboard. Okay children, so first of all we will learn what are alphabet keys. Alphabet means nothing but of what, children? You all of you know what are alphabets. Alphabet means A to Z letters we called as alphabets. So see here, alphabet keys. The alphabet means A to Z. The alphabet keys have letters from A to Z on them. There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. These keys are used to type words and sentences. Children, if you observe, how many letters are there in alphabet keys? Alphabets are how many? Those are 26 letters. Those all 26 letters, A to Z, all letters, it should be in the keyboard. Okay. See here. Yeah, this orange coloring is there, no? If you see in your textbook, you will observe C, Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P, like that. All A to Z letters are in this keyboard are there. These letters, these alphabetic keys, we called as alphabetic keys. Means which are having alphabetic letters, and which keys are having alphabetic letters, those keys we called as alphabetic keys. Okay children, this is the main keys in a keyboard. Okay, so here one small activity is given children. You see, color the alphabet keys with pink color. So in this keyboard, if you see, uh, all 26 alphabetic letters are there. Those keys you should color with pink color. Will you do this activity? Okay, so which keys are having alphabet letters, those keys you should color with pink. Okay, that is here activity given children. You do this activity at home. Okay, next another activity also given children. This is also very easy. What here given, color the letters of your best friend name. Means first you write your best friend name here. Any of your name, for example Rani, your best friend name, I think, like that you write your best friend name and color that letters here. What is that? For example, first which letter? R. Where is R? Here. So you color this letter. Next A. Where is A? Here. You color this letter. Next what is N? So next you color here. Where is N letter? You color that. Next I. Where is I? Like that you color this letter. Okay. These two activities you do. For here what we learned means children, keys are having alphabet letters, which that keys we called as alphabetic keys. Okay, next see children, page number 26. Next we are going to learn number keys. Number keys children, if you observe, number keys are in two places, keyboard having in two places number keys. Okay, see here, top of the alphabetic keys number keys are there, and number keypad at the right side of the keyboard, particularly one number keypad is there. So here also number keys are there. So in keyboard we will observe in two places number keys. So what is about this number keys? Now we will see. The number keys are used to type numbers. For example, if you have to type 24, how you will type? First you have to press 2, next you have to press 4. It will type as a 24. Okay, like that we should type numbers. These keys are also known as numeric keys. What is the another name of number keys? Are numeric keys. Number keys, numeric keys, both are same. Okay, these keys help you to do sums of maths and calculation work. So these by using these number keys we can type numbers, we can do additions, we can do subtractions, like that. Some calculation work we will do by using this number keys. There are two sets of number keys on the keyboard. I said no, if you see, we will find two sets of number keys. One is on the top of the alphabetic keys here, 0 to 9. What are number keys? How many number keys are there? You know, in keyboard 10 number keys are there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Like that here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Total 10 number keys are there. Okay, 0 to 9. 0 to 9 number keys are present in the keyboard in two sets. Okay, right side of the keyboard one set is there, and top of the alphabetic is one set is there. By using this number keys we can type numbers and we can do calculations also. Here is another activity is given children. See, color the number keys with green. Here all number keys we should color with green children. See here, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. These 10 keys you should color with green. And again here is also there no number keys. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This keys also you should color with green. This is the here activity given. Next see, what is here given? Color both set of keys form the number 548. Here 548 we have to type on the screen. So which number keys we have to press? 5, 4, 8. You should color these three numbers in this set, and here also you should color 5, 4, 8 here also. So in these two sets you have to color these 548 number. Okay, you have to type 548 number. Which numbers we have to type, that numbers you have to color here also, here also. You can color with your wish. Which color you want, you can color with that color. Okay, next next key, children, that is space bar key. See here, the longest bar in the keyboard, the longest key in the keyboard we called as a space bar key. For which purpose we will use this key, children? We will give space, means gap between the two words. For example, if you see here, da is there, no? For example, you see here, space bar key. Okay, space bar, in these two words, between of these two words one space is there, if you observe. Next, bar key, these two words between space is there, gap is there. So how we will give this gap? How we will give this gap? By using this space bar key. Okay, so how we will type now? SPASE. First you will type these letters. After that, press this space bar. Next you type BAR. After that you press this space bar. Then one gap it will come. Next you type KEY key. Enough. Like that, to give gap between the words and sentences, we will use this space bar. If you press one time, one letter gap will come. If you press two times, two letters gap will come between the words and letters. This is the purpose of the space bar, children. Okay, see, the space bar key is used to give space between two words. Okay, and letters also we can give space. See, factum given, the space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. Okay, next children, enter key. What is the enter key? Children, this enter key is used to come to the next line. For example, children, you typed all this sentence up to here you typed. Is it right? See, up to here you typed. So you have to come to next line. You have to come to next line to type the second sentence. How you will come? To come to next line, you will press the enter key. This enter key is also, it contains in two places in keyboard. Okay, one is in this alphabetical keyboard. Next, it is in a numeric keypad. Okay, so this is called enter key. By using this enter key, we will come to the next line. Means the cursor will come to the next line. Cursor means, you know, one blinking line is appearing on the screen. When you type, that cursor will type your letters. Where there is the cursor, there only we can type. Okay, children. So that cursor will comes to the next line to type the next line words. Okay. So for the enter key is, the purpose of the enter key is to come to the next line. If you have to come to the next line, you have to press the enter key. Okay, enter key you should press. Okay, enter key is also called a return key. Enter key is also called a return key. Means we will come again to the first sentence of the word. If you are typing this sentence, typing, and the cursor will move here, end of the sentence. Again you press enter, it will comes return to the first position of the sentence, but it comes to the next line. That's why we will call as the return key. Okay, children, enter key is also in two places in the keyboard. Okay, so this is about the enter key. Here also one activity is given about the enter key and space bar key. Color the keyboard as per the color code. Enter key. Where is enter key, children? See, this is easy. Enter. This is one enter key. And another enter key. This is one enter key. So these two enter keys we should color with red color. And here see space bar key. This space bar key we should color with the green color. This long key, we called as the space bar. So this bar you should color with the green color. This is the another activity, children. Okay, so this is the explanation of the fourth lesson, children, and this activity time and notes that I will give in next class. Okay, today's your homework is you do these activities which are having page number 25, this activity, okay, and here two activities are given, no? This activity and this activity. This activity you do in your textbook. That is only your homework. Now I am closing this class, children. We will meet in next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.